Hi guys, it's Andri. So today I'm back. So today it's gonna be a video that you guys have requested from me, singing while doing my makeup. And I want to apologize first of all because my ears are kind of blocked for some weird ass reason. So I can barely even hear my own self. Sorry if the singing sucks. So just want to apologize for that first. I'm also gonna be doing a fast, like everyday kind of makeup look. Just want to say a few things about the fucking virus. The last thing that people care is makeup, and I know obviously we're all quarantined in our houses and we have all the time in the world. So that's why I'm doing this video, to kind of entertain myself and you whilst we're in quarantine. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please pray in whatever you believe in. Just stay home, stay safe, and be positive. Let's get into the video. So first, as a primer, I'm gonna be using my xoxo pomegranate moisturizer. It looks like this. It's a gel cream. I love it. Yeah, it smells amazing. I'm never using silicone based primers ever again. As you can see, my skin has been kind of like freaking the fuck out because I've been using at work every day when I was doing my makeup like a silicone based primer, and it literally clogged my pores. So fuck that singing because that's the point of this video. So I wrote down like a bunch of songs. I'm not gonna sing the songs for a long time because I don't want to get... So first song that I'm gonna sing, it's Sober by Demi Lovato. It's a song that I get the chills every time. And applying the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in the shade Cashmere. And I'm gonna be putting this all over my face as concealer and foundation. I love this. So full coverage. I got no excuses for all of these goodbye. Call me when it's over, cause I'm dying inside. Wake me when the shakes are gone and the cold sweats disappear. Call me when it's over and myself has reappeared. Mama, I'm so sorry, I'm not sober anymore. And Daddy, please forgive me for the drink spilled on the floor. To the ones who never left me, we've been down this road before. I'm so sorry, I'm not sober anymore. I'm running out of this. Damn. Even though you don't really need a lot of this. So next song, it's Lonely by Demi Lovato. I've always been obsessed with Demi Lovato. He thought just like you. His arms, his lips, his promises were just as smooth. His grip, if it, though I admit that only you could make me feel the way you do. Though you know love is blind, and he just caught my eye. You know me, and honestly, I'm better without you. Don't you catch me checking on my phone by the hour. Baby, I'm hoping, I'm praying. My knees weak, I'm shaking. Cause you know that I always needed saving. Now I'm fucking lonely, and you didn't want me. Trying to show me that you didn't know me, but all you do is leave me fucking lonely. So now I'm gonna powder. I'm gonna be using the RCMA Pure Pearl Powder. This powder is amazing. Honestly, I wanted to order the RCMA No Color Powder. It's like, it looks white. It's in the exact same packaging, but it's translucent. And I mistakenly ordered the Pure Pearl, which this one has a lot of glitter in it. I still love this powder. So yeah, next song, it's 10 Feet Tall by Afrojack. I'm clumsy and my head's a mess, cause you got me growing taller every day. We're giants in a little man's world. My heart is pumping, I'm so big that it could burst. I'm trying so hard not to let it show, but you got me feeling like I'm stepping on beauty calls and bones. I swear I can touch the sky. Can you see the glitter? when I brush it away, it's not that obvious. Next song is Hollow by Tori Kelly. I really like Tori Kelly. I don't wanna be the last man standing. I don't wanna be the lonely one, breaking petals when the party's over. No, it's not any fun, 'cause I'm fragile, and you know this. So hold me, wrap me in love, fill up my cup, empty, and only your love can fill up my cup, 'cause I'm hollow, yeah, I'm hollow. Another really good. So then I'm gonna brush away all this excess powder. So now I'm gonna bronzer, which means bronze and contour. I'm gonna be using the NYC Big Bold bronzer. So next song, it's Self Control by BB Rexa, I think. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol, 'cause when it comes to you I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I want it all. Got no self-control, and I don't mean cigarettes and alcohol, 'cause when it comes to you I can't say no. I don't wanna taste, I want it all. When I get your call, I'm at the door none. Okay. Bitch! Half of my face is alive. So it wouldn't be an amazing singing video if I didn't include All of Me by John Legend. Like, what would I do without your smart mouth, drawing me in and you kicking me out? Got my head spinning, no kidding, I can't bring you down. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind, 'cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Give your all to me, and I'll give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Should I wear some blush? I'm gonna use the Sergio Luis Alvarez palette. That looks like this. And I use this eyeshadow blush. So next song is Bruises by what's this guy? Levi Scapaldi. What? Okay, I've never actually heard of this guy before, but I listened to, I think it was MTV or something. I'm gonna Google the lyrics because I don't remember the lyrics. But it's such a good song. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold ya, you keep my head from going under. Now I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna be using the Dandelion Twinkle highlighter by Benefit. It's so cute, look at it! Some days I love this highlighter, some days I'm like, eh. Today's one of those days that I like it. So now I'm gonna set my face with my Skindinavia makeup setting spray oil control. If you don't know Skindinavia, it's actually the brand that does the Urban Decay setting sprays, and they have their own brand with setting sprays, primer sprays, makeup removing sprays, and I actually like this so much more than the Urban Decay. You have to shake this. And I'm gonna use the Rimmel Professional Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. It's kind of really dark for me, but anyway. So next song, it's one of my favorite songs ever. It's My Immortal by Evanescence, and I have this song recorded of me singing it on my Instagram, and so yeah, go follow me. It's Andri_con. I'm so tired of being here, pressed by all my childish fears. And if you have to leave, I wish that you would just leave, 'cause your presence still lingers here, and it won't leave me alone. These wounds won't seem to heal. This pain is just too real. There's just too much that time cannot erase. When you cried, I'd wipe away all of your tears. When you'd scream, I'd fight away all of your fears. And I held your hand through all of these years, but you still have all of me. This song, honestly, I think it's one of the best songs that humans ever written. Okay, so did my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star x Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette. I'm first gonna use the shade Tanacon. This one right here. I really like this palette. I use it all the time, but unfortunately it has some fallout, which I don't like, but we can't have everything. Next song, it's Expectations by Lauren something. I can't pronounce her last name. But wish I had no expectations. Wish that I could get it through your head with no confrontation. Really wish we could talk about it instead. All these tears that I've cried while I'm turned to the side and you're in the same fucking bed. Wish I had no expectations, but I expect, you expect, we expect. Okay, next shade, I'm gonna be using Diet Root Beer. By the way, the brush I am using is the AOA Studio E127. And that's it for my eyes. I don't want to go crazy or like do something like... So next song, it's Cry by Gazga. What do you see? If I escape, will I be saved? Can't estimate when you'll fade. Tell me I can wait. I'm learning fast, I can't turn back. I died 1,000,000 times when you left, when you said goodbye. What do you see? Can you speak? Will I be saved? My heart's so nice, can't think twice. Tell me why, oh why? I'm falling fast, stuck in the past. I try and understand, it hurts so bad. How long will it last? I'm flying through the storms, the answer's in the sky. Now I'm gonna do my lashes. Okay, so I'm gonna use the YSL Mascara Volume Effect Faux something waterproof mascara. It's my favorite mascara. It's the best mascara. And next song, it's Hurt by Christina Aguilera. Also a really hard song. I apologize if I say it, you know, very shit. Seems like it was yesterday that I saw your face. You told me how proud you were, but I walked away. If only I knew what I know today. Ooh, ooh. I would hold you in my arms. I would take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do. Okay, so next song, it's gonna be By the Grace of God, Katy Perry. I freaking love that song. Running on empty, so out of gas. Thought I wasn't enough, and I wasn't so tough. Laying on the bathroom floor. We were living on a fault line, and I felt the fault was all mine. Couldn't take it anymore. By the grace of God, there was no other way. I picked myself back up. I knew I had to stay. I put one foot in front of the other, and I decided to stay. Wasn't gonna let love take me out that way. Okay, next song is This Is Real by Jax Johnson, right? Jax Jones. This is real, and you've been right here all along. This is real, and I could never get enough. And I've been holding on, and you'll be the somebody who can give me love, never gonna give you up. And I've been holding on, and you'll be the somebody who can give me love, never gonna give you up. And this is why I love this mascara. And it's the most waterproof mascara I have ever used in my life. It does not move. Doesn't matter if you cry, doesn't matter if you go through a storm, it's not gonna budge. Now I'm gonna lip line, and I'm gonna use the NYX Soft Brown. I don't want to throw this away. So next song, it's Sorry Not Sorry by Demi Lovato. I was very ambitious while I was writing this list, because that's a goddamn hard song. Now I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god! I'm kind of nervous to sing Sorry Not Sorry because Demi Lovato has... she doesn't have a voice, she has a voice. You know what I mean? So now I'm out here looking like revenge, feeling like a 10, the best I ever been. And yeah, I know how bad it must hurt to see me like this, but it gets worse. Now I'm out here looking like regret, ain't too proud to beg, second chance you never get. And yeah, I know how bad it must hurt to see me like this, but it gets worse. Now payback is a bad bitch, and baby, I'm the baddest. You're fucking with a savage, can't have this, can't have this. And it'd be nice of me to take it easy on ya, but nah. Baby, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry, I'm not sorry. Being so bad got me feeling so good, showing you up like I know that I would. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun singing and doing my makeup at the same time. Also, the reason I did this makeup, it's been my go-to makeup look for, I don't know, for work, for every day. It's just so fast. I know it took forever to actually do it on camera, but you get why. I was singing, I was just, you know. But if in real time, in real life, you do this, it's actually really fast. Like, it takes you 10 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please leave a like down below. Click the red button and subscribe to my channel. I have a Greek channel also. I will link everything down below and my social media. I love you. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day. Be safe, stay healthy, guys, stay home. I just want to say I'm very hopeful for the future, and I hope you guys can be as hopeful as I am. 2020, you fucking suck.